President Lee, before we call him, we would like to extend a congratulations and a greetings of a happy second year anniversary of the Bahrain Noble Eagles Club. Yan po ang ating kami po lahat nag-release sa Bahrain. Kaya po mostly, mag-president kami ng Bahrain Noble Eagles Club at nagkaroon na we decided to create another club kasi nag-agree lahat to have a region in Bahrain. So we're looking forward po sa heat. Now without further ado, without the platform, Kuya President Joman Baruela.
Magandang hapon, mga kuya. Magandang gabi, mga kuya, ate, sa ating kagalang-galang Gobernador, Kuya Emilio Samporna, at sa ating magiting Club President ng
Alam mo lang libre yung gabi ito.
at sa ating Club President ng Binleg, Ate Joan Sapa. Today, we gather to witness a special occasion, the induction of our new members, and to celebrate this significant milestone as we welcome them into this organization. Congratulations to each of you, Kuya and Ate. You have taken an important step, and it is my privilege to stand before you as one of the club presidents. As we embark on this journey, I want to remind you of the responsibility that comes with this membership in our fraternal order. You are now part of a legacy built on the 4 pillars that define who we are. The first pillar is the brotherhood. Brotherhood is the foundation of our organization. It is a bond that fosters trust, support, and friendship among all members. You are joining a family that stands together in times of joy and in times of need. The second pillar is the service. Service is the heartbeat of our mission. As you engage with this organization, remember that your actions should reflect our guiding principle. Service through strong brotherhood. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of others, uplift our community, and be a beacon of hope. The third pillar is the unity. Unity is essential for our strength. In this diverse group, we must embrace our differences and work collaboratively towards common goals. Together, we can achieve remarkable things. And lastly, the divine power. Divine power reminds us that our purpose is guided by a higher call. This power inspires us to act with integrity and passion, knowing that we are contributing to something greater than ourselves. And as we take your new roles, let our motto, Deo et Patria, for God and country, serve as your guiding light. It signifies our commitment not only to our faith, but also to the nation we cherish. Embrace these pillars, uphold our values, and carry the spirit of brotherhood into every endeavor. Together, we will soar the new heights and make a lasting impact. Once again, congratulations and welcome aboard. Mabuhay ang Akilan! Mabuhay!
Grabe talaga si Kanya Joman, sabi ko sa iyo, 30 seconds na. Mag-isama po sa ito. And without further ado, we don't need any introduction. Ang very active and lagi pa-cute Begod, Emilio Samporna.
Thank you, Kuya President. Kuya President, Kuya Pres, Leo Baruela, ad hoc President and coming President of Pinbared, Kuya Pres Dino Lanipa, Ate Pres Joan Sampurna, on behalf all members, all Kuya Ate, guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bunso, magandang gabi po. Tapos na po, kasi kakain na tayo, okay na. Hindi, time check, 7:30. Kunti lang. Isa lang ang ano ko at idadagdag ko. I think everyone already have given their thoughts and advices to all of us mga kuya. Ang sa akin lang, let us continue to hold our what we have oath as an eagle. Ang pinag-importante natin is yung service natin to strong brotherhood, yung pagmamahal natin sa ating mga kuya, isa't isa, huwag natin pababayaan. Remember always that mayroon tayong treaty, time, treasure, and talent. It's not only that you will help your kuya in terms of money. Lahat po tayo OFW. If we don't have money, we can help them through moral support. We can help them through our spiritual support. We can help them like showing your talent. Marami pong paraan. And at the same time, huwag yung pabayaan ang ating mga ginagalang na presidente ng ating club. Huwag yung pabayaan. Kasi po, sila po ang nagbibigay sa atin ng buhay pati sa region. Without us members of the club, wala po tayo ngayon sila ang tayuan natin as a leader. The mother club, which is the Barrel Eagles Club, doon tayo nag-umpisa. We will give you the history this coming December event natin. Lahat-lahat, ibibigay po natin yan to know everything that we have as an Eagles. But as an Eagles, please remember always to support our club president. Huwag niyo silang pababayaan dahil kung wala po kayo, yung club natin hindi po Eagles. Ang pinaka-importante, as usual, always binabalik ko, yung talagang support niyo, lalo na sa GC. Huwag niyong pabayaan na yung officers lang o yung chairman ang siyang sasalita sa GC. You must support. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Sabihin niyo kung sa puso niyo, wala pong nangin sa GC. Lahat kayo tama. Ganyan po ang agila. Basta magsalita lang, wala pang agila na tayo. Ang agila po ay lagi po gumagawa ng tao sa kalam lagi kami. Oh. Tapos, ang agila po ay isang talagang tunay na agila. Kailangan, dahil masingasing sa legal, gawin natin ang ating sinumpaan. We must do our duties and responsibilities sa legal. Ngayon pa man, nakikita mo sa inyo lahat na kayo talaga ay isang tunay na agila. Mabuhay po mga agila, pagpapakan natin tayo lahat na ating mabuhay mag-isip at pagpapakan natin. Maraming salamat po at sa mga gamitin. Congratulations to our new members, Kuya, natin. Mabuhay.
Nag-picture mo ba naman kayo sa klase?
Wala.
Picture niyo naman, kawawa naman eh.
Wala na.
Paki-picture mo ba?
Oh, wala na. Picture so. Wala na?
Kawawa naman eh.
Okay.
Kailangan po documentation na po.
Okay. So, gano'n. Bigyan pa ako. Akala ko 10 minutes lang. May time clock kasi. Time master kasi. May ano eh.
Toastmaster.
Toastmaster.
Thank you.
Okay. So, again, I repeat. Be an eagle. What we have all gampanan natin, it's not an obligation, but we have take all for that one. So, tulong-tulong. Mga kuya, tulungan natin ating mga kuya, number 1. At saka yung mga nangangailangan. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay na kuya!
Why?
At of course, this program will not be as prepared as this. I will give the floor to our chairman of the club awards and commission.
Salamat kayo.
Siya po ang backbone ng ating schedule na maganda at satisfying ang ating preparation. Kaya, sumabay. Sir po.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Alam ko po ay tutulong tayo lahat, kaya I will do it really fast. Okay? It's a token of appreciation. Let me just read this token. Ito po mga taong to ay tinulungan nila tayo para mangyari itong programa ito. May mga sponsors, may mga individuals na gumawa po ng mga activities para mangyari ito. Anyway, let us call the first group. Certificate of recognition and sincere recognition and deep appreciation for the unwavering support, dedicated service, and self-efforts behind the scene in the preparation and success of induction of new members held on the occasion of SBNX Second General Membership on 4th of July at Khadija Plaza Fair. Your commitment, quiet diligence, and teamwork truly embody the spirit of brotherhood, service, and excellence. Your presence may not be always in front, but your impact is deeply felt and great value. With the gratitude and admiration, we honor and meaningful contribution to this event. Given this 4th of July at Khadija Plaza 2, Jufair, Kingdom of Bahrain, signed by our club president, Kuya Emmanuel Canayo, and yours truly. Let me call Kuya Gia Paragas. We have Mel J. Santiago. Please. Sia. And Ate Katrina Lorraine Manlapas.
Congrats, Alicia and Lorraine. Congrats, Ate Lorraine. Ganda na picture sa amin, ha? Picture. Ate jacket mo. Yan. Kaya pa mo dyan? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ate. Keep it up.
Tawagin naman po natin ang ating mga sponsors para sa event na ito. In grateful recognition of your generous support and valuable contribution, the event sponsor and location of SBNet GMM number 2 on July 4th of Khadija Plaza 2, Jufair, and unwavering support embodies the true spirit of brotherhood, service, and bayanihan, and has gratefully contributed to the success